Hello students, today I am going to discuss with you the relation between the radius of atom and edge length and the distance between the neighboring atoms. Okay dear students, in case of body centered cubic unit cell, particles are present at the each corner and also one particle is present at the center of the body centered cubic unit cell. Okay dear students, here you can see each edge length is equal to a, means same edge length, and each edge length are perpendicular to each other. So to find out the relation between edge length and radius of atom, first of all we calculate face diagonal, that is AC. Take right angle triangle ABC. In ABC, AC is face diagonal, that is hypotenuse in right angle triangle ABC. So AC square will be equal to sum of AB square plus BC square according to Pythagoras theorem. Dear students, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square. You know AB and AC are edge length. So AB equal A square and BC is equal A, means BC square equal A square. So sum of edge length squares, A square plus A square, this become 2A square. AC will be equal to under root 2A square. Here A square is perfect square, so A come out from the square root. So AC will be A root 2, that is face diagonal A root 2. Now we will calculate the diagonal of the cubic unit cell CD. At this diagonal, atom that present at the body center is lies on this diagonal. Okay, so we will take right angle triangle ACD. In right angle triangle ACD, here angle A is 90 degree, means AC and AD are perpendicular to each other. So we will use Pythagoras theorem again in this right angle triangle and we will calculate CD. Then CD square equal AC square plus AD square. You know AC, that is equal to A root 2. A root 2 whole square plus AD edge length A square. A root 2 whole square means 2A square plus A square. This become 3A square. So CD, that is diagonal of the cubic cell, CD square equal 3 square and CD equal under root 3A square. This become A root 3. Okay, and dear students, after that in body centered unit cell, the distance between two nearest atoms, take CE. In CE there are two radius of atom E and radius of atom C, means distance between two nearest atom D equal CE, that is also equal to DERED. Okay, this will also R plus r means 2r, means you can say d equal ce equal de, that is also is half of the cd by 2. Okay dear students, you know cd equal a root 3 and divided by 2, and d is the distance between two neighboring atoms, that is equal to 2r. So 2r equal a root 3 by 2. Okay, r equal 2 goes to the denominator of the next side, so 2 into 2 becomes 4. r equal a root 3 by 4. This is the relation between radius of atom and edge length. And after simplifying, r equal 0.433 a. This is the relation between edge length and radius of the atom. Okay, now we will discuss next unit cell. Students, in case of face centered cubic unit cell, particles are present center of the each faces besides the corner. Okay, so to find out the relation between radius and edge length, we will calculate the distance between A and C. AC, that is face diagonal. At face diagonal there are three atoms: atom A, atom D and atom C. Okay, so AC equal, you can say AC equal double of AD or double of CD, and CD or AD is equal to D, that is distance between two nearest atom. CD equal D and AD equal also D, means you can say AC equal 2D and D equal to 2R, sum of the nearest neighboring atoms radius. Okay, so AC equal to 2D, you can say AC equal to 2 into 2R, that become 4R, means 2D equal AC equal 4R. In right angle triangle, ABC, in ABC angle B is 90 degree. Okay, so according to Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal AB square plus BC square. Okay, you know AC equal to 2D square, and AB square means A square side square, BC square means A square side square. A square plus A square 2A square. Okay, and taking square root on both sides, this become 2D, and here under root 2A square. A is perfect square, so this becomes A root 2, and you know 2D equal 4R. 4R equal root 2A, and you can calculate R. R equal, after transferring the 4 from the left side, this become A root 2 by 4A, means A upon 2 root 2. This is the relation between radius of atom and edge length. Okay, after simplifying, you can write this R equal 0.3535A. This is the relation between the radius of atom and the edge length of cubic unit cell. Thanks and have a nice day.